To set your phone to auto reconnect to a safe Wi-Fi network in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap connection, and then tap Wi-Fi, tap more icon or 3 vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select advanced setting, tap manage network, tap the required Wi-Fi network you like to auto reconnect with, and then tap the gray on off switch next to auto reconnect to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. When this option is on, your phone will automatically reconnect to this Wi-Fi network if your phone is within the network ring. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.